Use rolled hem foot for light to medium weight fabrics. Because rolled hems are small, they're perfect for very lightweight or sheer fabrics, such as those used for scarves and blouses. There's a small scroll at the front of the foot, which guides the edge of the fabric, rolling it over and closing the raw edge. The stretch stitch sews the small hem in place. There is a slight groove on the underside of the foot to accommodate the thickness of the hem once it has been stitched. To sew a rolled hem, trim the fabric edge so that the entire hem allowance is 1/2 inch. With the wrong side facing up, fold and press the fabric over 1/8 inch. Then again another 1/8 inch. Use a pin to hold the hem in place. Position fold fabric under the foot and then lower the needle down into the fabric. Base press the foot. Feed the fabric edge up into the skull at the front of the foot. Lower the press foot and start sewing slowly. Use your left hand to hold the thread tail back as you start, and then hold the fabric taut from the back as you sew. Use your right hand to carefully lift the fabric edge, bringing it in front of the foot and scroll. Continue backing the fabric to the scroll as you sew. Some projects require that you start stitching right at the corner. To do this, prepare the fabric as usual, but add small pieces of tear with stabilizer under the start of the hem. Position the stabilizer under the foot so that the beginning of the scroll will go into the foot. Lower the press foot and sew probably to get started. Stop sewing, guide the fabric into the scroll, and then continue hemming. Carefully remove the stabilizer when finished. You can also use a roll hem foot for cutting over narrow cords. If desired, use a fabric marking tool to designate stitching hem from fabric before you start to sew. Insert the cording into the scroll, pulling it toward the back and underneath the foot. It may be helpful to use a pin to guide the cord through the scroll. Place a wash-away or tear-away stabilizer under the fabric. Use a zigzag stitch and set the width so it's wide enough to sew over the sides of the cord. Set the length as desired, depending on the